Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to make a very easy keto snack or breakfast food. It's a keto peanut granola bar. It's super amazing. When I put it on the table, it's gone faster than you could see, and it's very tasty, no sugar added or any preservatives, very clean and very nourishing for the body. If you just find my channel today, then I am doing recipe videos like this one and sharing my weight loss journey and keto and intermittent lifestyle on this channel. So if you like what you see, then hit the red subscribe button down there and stick around. So let's get to baking now. As I always say, the most important thing to preheat your oven, and in this case you preheat your oven to 135 Celsius. What is a Fahrenheit coming on the screen? What do we need to this granola bar? You need peanut butter and no sugar added, peanuts itself, almonds. I will use some dry blueberries, no added sugar, cinnamon, psyllium husk, organic coconut oil, and some butter. You need a food processor, 1 cup of almonds, what is 250 milliliter of almonds. We'll just pour it in there. Then we will add 1 tablespoon of psyllium husk, like this one, maybe a little bit more. Then we're going to add vanilla, and half a teaspoon is enough. We're going to add melted coconut oil. I would say go with 2 tablespoons. 1, 2. Then you take your peanut butter and you add 2 tablespoons of peanut butter. And we're gonna add 4 or 5 tablespoons of melted butter as well. Okay, now we mix everything together. Now with a spatula you can scrape down the sides. Good. And now we will add the sweetener. I like to use monk fruit because it's non-GMO, 0 additives, also vegan and 0 glycemic index. That's the main reason I love it, and no weird aftertaste. And we will add 4 tablespoons of this to the mixture. Okay, good. Let's see how does it taste. Very good. It's a bit dry, so we will add 2 more tablespoons of coconut oil, and then we see if that helps. Very good. Now we have the good consistency. This is more sticking together at this point. Very good. And now we will just remove the knife. Be careful. And to this we will add some peanuts. I like it in 1 piece, but you can break them up in 2 pieces. It depends on your taste. And we will mix this together. And I will take half of the bunch now and put it into the tray, and to the other half I will add extra dried blueberries. You need a tray like this one and some baking sheet into it. Very good. And we will take half of the mixture. And what you do, you make sure you have like a half a centimeter height, and just press them together and down as much as you possibly can. I will add a bit more to this one. And now we will add to the other half 1/4 of a cup, 3 ounces of dried blueberries, and work this together. Very good. And now you can just take back your tray and pour in the mixture here. Good. And just press it down with your hands as much as you can. Very good. This is how it looks. This is the ready form. And now we will put it into the oven. Very good. 135 degree for 35 minutes. Alright, this is very hot right now and still very soft. You need to wait until this is fully cooled down and firms. It's going to be hard. It's gonna be like a real granola bar, and we need to wait for that. Our peanut butter granola getting cooler and cooler. So at this point we are going to make a little bit of chocolate, and we're just gonna put a few lines on top to just make it more fancy and more fun. So we will use a double boiling method and melt up about 20 grams of chocolate. I will link a few good brands below in the description box without sugar I like to use, and you can check them out. And now you just use your melted chocolate with a spoon and decorate your granola. Alright, and now we will wait until this is fully set and cool down, and then we will slice it up. Now it's fully cooled down, and now we will slice it up. Here you go. If you want, you can halve them and make it into half granola bars. Yeah, this very simple recipe makes these cute granola bars, and you can just take it with you and eat it on the go. I hope you liked this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in my next video. Bye bye guys!